Grandpa, I've been thinking a lot lately about my future, and I really want to be successful in life. Do you have any tips for me?
Ah, so you're eager to carve your path to success, are you? Well, my boy, sit down. Let's have a chat about it.
Yes, Grandpa. I really want to make something of myself. What's your secret to success?
Firstly, remember that success isn't just about achieving wealth or fame. It's about finding fulfillment and happiness in what you do. Now, to start with, have a clear vision of what you want to achieve in life. Set goals for yourself, both short-term and long-term.
That makes sense, Grandpa. But how do I know what I want to achieve?
Ah, that's a good question. Explore your interests. Discover what makes you passionate. Don't be afraid to try new things and step out of your comfort zone. It's through exploration that you'll find what truly ignites your spirit.
Okay, I'll keep that in mind. What else can I do to ensure success?
Well, my boy, cultivate a strong work ethic. Success rarely comes without hard work and dedication. Be willing to put in the effort, persevere through challenges, and never give up on your dreams.
So, hard work is key. Got it, Grandpa. Anything else?
Yes, indeed. Surround yourself with positive influences. Choose your friends wisely and seek out mentors who can offer guidance and support along your journey. Remember, the company you keep can greatly impact your mindset and outlook on life.
That's good advice, Grandpa. I'll make sure to surround myself with positive people. What about failures, though? How do I handle them?
Ah, failures are inevitable, my boy. But it's how you respond to them that truly matters. Embrace failure as an opportunity to learn and grow. Use it as fuel to propel you forward, rather than allowing it to hold you back. Remember, every successful person has faced setbacks along the way.
That's a great perspective, Grandpa. I'll try to see failures as learning experiences, rather than roadblocks. Is there anything else I should know?
Well, always stay humble and grateful for what you have. Success is not just about personal achievement but also about making a positive impact on the lives of others. So, never lose sight of your values and always strive to contribute to the betterment of society.
Thank you so much, Grandpa, for all your wisdom and guidance. I feel more confident now about pursuing success in my life.
You're welcome, my boy. Just remember, success is a journey, not a destination. Enjoy the process, cherish the lessons learned, and know that I'll always be here cheering you on every step of the way.
I will, Grandpa. Thank you again for everything.
We hope you thoroughly enjoyed this conversation. If you're eager to further enhance your English skills, we warmly invite you to subscribe to our channel.